Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadillas from scratch. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 flour tortillas, roughly 8 ounces of your favorite shredded cheese like Monterey Jack or cheddar, and your preferred fillings. Think cooked chicken, black beans, or some nicely sautéed bell peppers and onions. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's assemble our delicious quesadilla. Start by warming a large skillet over medium heat. A 9-inch pan works well. Once warm, add a small amount of oil or butter. Place 1 tortilla in the pan, then sprinkle about 1/4 cup of cheese over it. Add your prepared fillings, then another 1/4 cup of cheese, and finally, top with a second tortilla. It's time to cook our quesadilla to perfection. Cook the first side for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and the cheese starts to melt. Carefully slide a wide spatula underneath and flip it over. Cook the second side for another 3 to 4 minutes. You want that cheese completely melted and gooey. Once done, remove it from the pan and let it rest for 1 minute. Your homemade quesadilla is ready. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut it into 2 or 4 wedges, depending on your preference. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or cool sour cream. Don't forget to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Feel free to experiment with different cheeses and fillings to create your own signature quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.